So today we will be doing the chapter that is on measurement. The name of the topic is length, weight, capacity, time, and money. Along with that, I'm going to teach you a very important concept. Done. Don't use the blackboard. Don't use the whiteboard. So this concept, if I talk about, is actually algebra, but how we can teach algebra to younger children like you. So if you want to have a notebook, you can have your notebook, or simply you can see my screen.
Ma'am, I can see.
You can see my screen? All right. So, have you ever come across this puzzle that I am drawing, Alina? Okay, Alina? See, I have a ball. So, I have a ball. And then I have a ball and a bat. Naisha, we have just started. You haven't missed anything. So, my question is only for Elena right now. Elena, can you tell me the value of the ball and the bat? Elena? Elena, yes. What is the value of... Yes, was that you?
Yes.
Good job. So the value of the ball is 20. And how about the bat?
10.
How did you do that?
Because you wrote 30. Then I said 20. And then
Okay.
30
You could see the
minus
equation.
10 is 20.
You saw the equation and you just substituted the value. Since the numbers are small, you can do mental calculation there. Am I right? So,
Yes.
So my question to everyone here, can you understand this question? Is it like, did you get the answer? The same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will be doing similar questions, okay? But it will not be this easy. It's not going to be this easy. Let me share my screen with you. Oh, I see. Okay. So somehow I cannot share my screen today. I will be drawing another question here, another equation. Now, something that you should understand, children, is how many unknown data you want. You need that number of equations. So how many unknowns we had right now? We had a ball and a bat, right? 2 unknowns. So we had 2 equations. So if you have the same number of variables, now these are all technical terms, same number of objects and same number of equation, then you can definitely find the value of the unknown figure. All right. Eyes on the blackboard. You have to find the value of this cake. Okay? But I'm drawing it for you. Yes, who is that?
Can my cousin sit with me?
Yeah, please, Shania. Of course she can. How old is your cousin?
She is 9.
Wow. Yeah. So your cousin will definitely love this topic. Chalo. Call her and tell me her name. Hi. Oh, it's a boy. Hi. Hi, Bhaiya. How are you?
Yeah.
You good? Okay. So Kridan, This question will be for you, so unmute
Okay, ma'am.
and wait for me with the questions. Okay? डर लग रहा है क्या क्वेश्चन देख के?
No, ma'am.
पक्का?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure? So everyone, when Kridan is solving this question, we will look at his approach. ठीक है? कि how exactly he solved the question. Now we have to find the value of the cake. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So Kridan, chalo, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
How will you solve this?
Ma'am, first I will check the value of the cupcake.
Cupcake. Good job.
As 24 divided by 2 is 12. So the value of the cupcake is 12.
Very good. All right. Then
ma'am, I'm seeing.
okay. Okay. You want my help?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. अभी सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताना कि how many objects are here? Kridan, everyone, child, kids over here, look at my approach.
four.
ठीक है? Four objects है. And how many equations are there? 1,
Ma'am,
2,
four.
3, 4. इसका मतलब we can definitely solve it. Always check number of objects and number of equation. Now, the first thing is to find the quickest calculation. जहां पर common चीज दिख रहा है. So यहाँ पर cupcake definitely बहुत easy था. Correct? Now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But now I want you to see the second equation and the first equation. Everybody. Second equation में देखो, we have one donut, one cake, one cupcake. Okay? All right. In the first equation, we have the same thing like the cake, we have the donut, we have a donut and we have a cupcake. ठीक है? Common है ना, Kridan?
Yes, ma'am.
So can I, instead of this, can I write it as 75 here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the
So
toffee is also 15.
No, the toffee is not 15. Correct calculation
It
करो
is
तुम.
10.
Correct. Good job. ठीक है, तो ऐसे हमने substitute किया. So you have to see which fits where. Okay, what fits where. All right. So now next approach. Now Kridan, now can you tell me which equation we should see? We know the value of the cupcake. We know the value of the toffee. ठीक है. Now we have to find another donut. Third equation. So यहाँ पर you know the value of the toffee as 10. Everyone. So now this 10 will come on the right hand side. So it becomes a 38. Understood, right? How?
Ma'am, 14.
No, Kridan. Kridan, no, don't rush. Now that it is 38 and we have two donuts on one side. Everyone clear, right? समझ में आ रहा है ना? हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
हमने so अब इधर हमारे पास 2 donuts है and इधर 38 है. So now tell me the value of the donut. Quickly.
19.
Yes. So the value of the donut is 19. So Kridan, which equation will you use to find the value of the cake?
The second one.
Yes, second one. Good. So donut का value क्या आया था? 19.
19.
Cake का value we don't know. Cupcake का value आपने बताया 12. ठीक है? So now can you tell me the value? Everybody do the math. It is very simple. I will just erase everything and I will write the equation. Okay? Remember, it is 19 plus cake ka slice plus 12 is equal to 75. 19 plus 12.
19 plus 12 is
19 plus the cake
44.
slice, wait, plus 12 is equal to 75. So this is, now kids, other children here, Kridan, you just save your answer with you, okay? Now Samaira and Elena. Samaira and Elena.
75 is
Elena, now do you know what am I supposed to do? अभी हमने इसको add करेंगे. Elena, 19 plus 12, what is it?
19 plus 12, 31.
Okay, plus the cake here. And as I have shared that anything on the left hand side, if we bring it here, plus becomes
Minus.
perfect. So now we will just have the cupcake, the cake ka slice, and we will write 75. Elena, go ahead.
75 minus 31.
Give me the answer. Yes. So the answer is correct. Good.
Yeah.
Now, can I show you the book? From where did I get the question? How did we get 19, Naisha? We solved the value of donut in all the previous equations. So I have erased the entire thing and I've written the values of donuts and cupcake. All right, Naisha. So look at this book here. Can you see? This is a grade 4 Olympiad workbook. So are you proud of yourself? Are you proud of yourself now that you could do? Yes, good job. I'm really happy with you all. So this is a simpler version. It's a very, very simple version of solving this equation. So depending upon questions, you can either add the questions, subtract the equation. आपको hit and try करके आंसर आएगा. आप बोलोगे मैम आप क्या बोल रहे हो, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है? So look at this another question. I again have a circle and I have a rectangle. Okay, I have a circle and I have a rectangle. ठीक है? Naisha, I want you to focus and give me the answer. Okay, Naisha, are you here with us?
Yes.
Yes, Naisha. Naisha, now look at the equation, ठीक है? We have circle, जिसका value हमें नहीं पता है, and we have triangle, and we don't know the value of the triangle. So how many objects are here? 2 objects. ये वाली equation और ये 2. How many equations are there, Naisha?
2.
Yes. So definitely we can solve this because we have 2 equations and 2 unknowns. But अगर हमारे पास 3 unknowns होता, 3 object रहता और 2 equation होता तो हम नहीं solve कर पाते. ठीक है? Naisha, do you think you can tell me the value of the circle and triangle here? Okay. We will, don't give me the answer, Naisha. Okay. No giving answers. I want to know the step. Shania, do you know how we will do this? Shania, do you know how to do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Like it is written, the first equation is plus and second is minus. Now, first we can find the circles
value
value by checking but if this plus this is 40 and this is 20, so we can find out it easily. The first one
Oh.
is
Okay, I will just change the question. Ab batao mujhe. Can you tell me the answer? No. Kridan on screen. Kridan, I have to ask every child here. Kridan, where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kridan, have you figured out how to do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Please share your steps here with me.
Ma'am, if
Hmm.
the circle is
Hmm.
140,
No guessing, okay? No guessing. I will tell you how to do it. Naisha, not like that. See, we have equation 1, we have equation 2, okay? And as I told you that we can do things with this equation also. We will simply add them up. If we add circle plus circle, क्या हो जाएगा कृदान?
ma'am, circle plus circle.
You have one circle and then there is another circle. How many circles you have now?
2.
Yes, so it becomes 2 circle. ठीक है? Triangle minus triangle will be what, बच्चा? मैंने ये बॉल को ऐसे बनाना है, हाँ? Triangle minus triangle is, come on. If triangle की जगह में 5 रहता, दोनों triangle का value 5 रहता, तो 5 minus 5 क्या होता?
0.
So triangle minus triangle क्या होगा?
0.
Yes. So this is 0. And since it is an addition, for 140 or 20 भी add हो जाएगा. So it's going to be 160. Okay. So 2 balls equal to 160. Then what is the value of 1 ball?
Ma'am,
Yes.
80.
80. Now can you tell me the value of the triangle? किसी भी एक इक्वेशन में आप बॉल का वैल्यू डाल दो, आपको ट्रायंगल का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा.
60.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So did you understand the approach to do this equation? आप substitute नहीं कर सकते हो because बहुत बड़े numbers आ सकते हैं. But if you have the right attitude to do this example, any question that I ask from this stage onward, you will know कि अरे यहाँ पर तो common दिख रहा था. There was a circle and triangle अगर हम उसको add करेंगे तो minus हो जाएगा. तो ये common तो 2 चीज निकल गई. अब हमारे पास एक equation आ गया. Got it? Got it? Okay. Naisha, did you understand this? So next is something that can again be quite interesting. Have a look at this grid. Have you ever seen question in this form, Elena? Okay. Now I've finished making this. Everybody, Kridan, I can't see you. Are you here with us? Can you put the laptop ka screen thoda niche? Yes. Okay. Now, Elena, Naisha, Shanai, Samaira, and Kridan, how does this question looks to you? कुछ समझ में आ रहा है क्या क्या है ये नंबर क्या है ये नंबर क्या है ये नंबर anytime a grade like this is mentioned and nothing is given इसका मतलब इसके बीच में प्लस है so a flower plus apple plus mango is equal to 125 so on your paper right now quickly write down these equations ठीक है बहुत सारे equations बनेंगे there would be 6 equations. You will ask me how, ma'am? So one row, another row, another row, and then we have these columns here, down. Okay? Hurry up. Write it in your notebook. Quick. Kridan, no drawing. Can you show your work on the screen, Kridan? Match your work with me. All right. So the flower plus which object was here? Apple plus mango
Yes, ma'am.
is equal to 125. Did you write like that?
Then the flower plus the apple plus the mango is equal to 120.
Okay, Naisha. Naisha, did you see that all the apples, there was this equation. How many of you have written that? See, apple plus apple plus apple is equal to 54. This is, whenever you see something, an equation which has just one variable, तो वो उसी में से find out हो जाएगा, right? जैसे मैंने बताया, one unknown, one equation, you can easily tell the answer. So here, this equation gives us the value of the apple. What is 8? 54 divided by 3, it's 18. Is it? Am I right? Am I right? I'm fasting quicker than you children now. It shows that I am doing a lot of maths. 54 divided by 3 times 1, 3, 24 is 18. Yes, so the value of the apple is 18. ठीक है? उसके बाद, I will take another equation which has apple in it and another unknown. So it was grapes plus apple is equal to 196. How many of you wrote this equation? किसी ने लिखा ये वाला equation लिखा था? Good job, Naisha. So now can you tell me the value of grapes? Okay, good, good. Can you tell me the value of the grapes now? We know the value of the apple.
28 plus 28 is
28 नहीं है बच्चा, 18 था. 18 plus 18 is 18 times 2 is the 36. 36 इससे minus किए, आंसर आया 160. So the value of grapes is 160. But we have to find the value of the flower here. Okay, so how are we going to do that? There was another equation. There was another equation which was mango
plus apple
plus, yes, plus grapes. ठीक है? Is equal to 240. ठीक है? Now, how are we going to do? We know the value of apple 18. We know the value of the grapes. That's 160, right? Naisha, समझ में आ रहा है? आ रहा है ना समझ में? This requires a lot of practice. So you should just solve a lot of such questions. So automatically आपसे हो जाएगा. So now tell me the value of mango. 178. 240 minus 178.
44.
नहीं ना. 240 minus 178 करो. Guess work नहीं करना कृदान. Numbers are bigger. So you should do a lot of calculations. You're on mute. Is it 62? कृदान, mango का value 62 आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now we have an equation. Ignore. Okay. I'm just erasing the other ones. Yeah. So now we are erasing the other ones. And I'm writing the new equation, which was flower plus grapes
Plus
mango.
mango.
Right. So now this will help us to find the value of the flower. So it is 267. Now what is the value of the grape? 160. And mango का value क्या आया? जल्दी बताओ, किसी ने लिखा नहीं क्या? 62.
62.
So add कर लो 160 plus 62, 222. 222 minus, like 267 minus 222 is 45. So what is the
45.
value of the flower?
45.
45. Okay. So everybody listen to me. I want Elena, I want Samaira and Naisha and Kridan. Elena, unmute. Samaira, unmute. Children, unmute. When you have a look at an equation for the first time, when you see a question for the first time and you are not able to solve that, it doesn't mean that you are good or bad at mathematics. Okay? Every question has a perspective to solve. Once you know how to target that question, आपको अगली बार आएगा तो आप कर लोगे. Okay, Alina? अभी आपको difficult लगा था वो grade? Difficult लगा था ना grade? But एक ही strategy थी कि आपको सबके equations लिख लेने हैं. And उसके बाद आपको substitute and eliminate करना है. That will again come with practice. We are younger children right now. We have to know how to do it. We should know the steps like, acha, you have to write the equation, then we have to find the common things and just substitute the values in other equations, and that's how you will find it. We had 4 unknowns, so that's the reason we had 4 equations. But यहाँ पर हमारे को 6 equations बन गए थे, isn't it? So we could easily choose the easier ones. Okay. Now we have less than 10 minutes and then our session will end for today. I want to boost your confidence, and that is the reason why I'm going to give you a simple question. It's a beam balance ka question. Eyes on the blackboard. Okay. This is a weighing machine. And this is the scale. And here it says 15. Here it says 20. Here it says 25. Here it says a 0. And this is a 5. इसका ये मतलब है इसके scale in steps of 5 है ना? 5, 10, 15. All right. So my needle here shows that it is here. Now see, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. My needle is here. So can you tell me that what is the value of this here? Elena, can you tell me ये 15 है, ये 20 है, बीच के divisions है सारे, ठीक है? So if it is 15, what is this, Elena?
16.
Yes, 17 and 18. You always have to see the divisions. Sometimes in steps of 1 hoga, sometimes in steps of 2 hoga. All right. Yes, Kridan, correct. So now we know that whatever object is on this weighing machine, it measures 18 grams. Okay, now I'm keeping the objects here. I have 5 objects in the bottom and 4 on the top. I drew another weighing machine here. Okay. And it has the same scale, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Okay. And it has the same markings, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now my needle is somewhere here. Elena is going to tell me, what does the needle say? What is the value?
28.
25, 26, 27, 28. Good job. So it is 28 grams. Now let's see the objects here. 1, 2, 3. Good job, Kridan. Thank you for typing. All right. Now, approach hai. Question पूछता है. What is the weight of the apple? Now you know that यहाँ पर कितने unknowns हैं? 2 unknowns हैं. यहाँ पे we have a marble and we have an apple. Whereas in this equation, in A figure, we just have the marbles. So, don't you think we can identify the weight of the marble since it has just one unknown? है ना समायरा? देखो मैंने बोला था भैया आपको ऐसे ही करना है. Did you just say that to your brother? Okay. So now we have 9 balls. We have 9 marbles. Okay? Is equal to 18. Now, who is going to tell me the value of one marble? आपको पता चला मैंने 9 कैसे किया है? Yes, Alina, go ahead. 9 कैसे हुआ ये? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. ठीक है? 9 times the ball is equal to 18. So the value of the ball is 2. Good job, Kridan. Now, if you know that one ball measures 2 grams, can you substitute it in this B figure? This is also 2. This is also 2. This is also 2. Okay? So, what will be the equation? 6 plus apple is equal to 28. 6 plus apple is equal to 28. So, apple is equal to 28 minus 6. That is 22. Was it easy? Yes? Okay, good job. So that is all about for today's class. All right. So thank you so much, children, for being on time.